Hi friends, welcome to Samora Bot tutorial. Today we are moving on to online school websites. How you can create online school websites using Samora Bot. If you don't have this app before, quickly go to Play Store and search for Samora Bot. Then after installing it, you click on, we have free website builder here, the second option, click on it. And after you have created your website, you need to click on the website manager to manage your website. Then scroll down, check the settings, scroll down, you will see manager ID. Copy it and go straight to manager.service.com. Then paste your ID here. Only if you want to use web to manage your website. But if you want to use Samora, you can continue using Samora to manage your website. So let's click open. Good. Now you need to click on user portal, but before that, when your website will look like this, then it is your own responsibility to design to your taste. If you check here, we have my menu and we have no record, but by default you have 3 records here by default. So go to this place, user portal, then from the menu here, click on admin settings. Now portal type, select online school website. User sign up and log on your website enabled. The name of your website. Now after this, you are good to go. Then you click on update. Good. You can see my website visits, total student I have, courses, total enrollment, and all messages. Now you click on this place to add courses, manage courses. Now this I have none. So by default your website will come with 3. So delete all of them. Now let us add one here. Now I want to add course. No, my course needs good content editor. That is a text editor. But here there is no way I can copy different content into this place. What do you need to do? Go straight to add-ons. Click on add. Now you can see we have a rich text editor. So click on this place to install it. So you can see it is installed. So the next thing you need to do is go back to your manage courses. Then click on plus. You can see I have editor now. Now let me call this one mathematics. Maybe that's the subject that I want to take people. Or let's web design. How much? If you put 0, that means to be free. People can just enroll. But if you put amount there, 500 naira, that means they will have to pay 500 naira before they can enroll. And to maximize this place, click on full screen. This is the editor. So you can enter your content here. You can go online to copy content or anywhere. So I want to copy my content from this website. So then you paste it here. You can see that you can use editor on Samora Bot. Okay, what if you want to copy YouTube video? Let's check it out. How you can copy YouTube video. Now let me copy this. So you click on share. I will copy the link. So how will you include it? Maybe you want people to study your video. So click on video, paste the URL, insert. This is the video. So when you are done, click on this place. Then you click on save. But before you save it, you need a caption photo. So like a thumbnail for our course. So let me select this. I will click on save. Now I have one course now. You can add as many as you want. Okay. Now let's go back to user portal. This is user portal. Then click here. You can see students. And here we have school setup. Now on this place, you really need this place. Allow course content copying. It means, do you want to allow students from copying your content? Now, for example, maybe when they enroll into your course and you don't want to allow them to copy your content, Now you need to select yes if you want to allow people that have enrolled to copy your content. And if you want to disable that, you click on no. Display certificate. Do you want them to download certificates at the end of the learning? Enabled. How do you want them to pay? If you have some courses that are not free, how do you want them to pay? Online payment. If it's online payment, you need to provide paystack public key and paystack secret key. You can go to paystack.com to register, and on that place, after your account is approved, go to settings. On the settings, you see API. So click on API and you see what you can copy. Okay, let me quickly show you that. Okay, I'm on Paystack now. So you can see, click on settings, then you look for this tab, API keys. Click on it. Now the text secret key, copy. You can see this one is in test. Is in test mode. Now to copy the live one, make sure your Paystack is approved before you can copy anything from here. And if it's not approved, you can just copy only the text. This is for testing purpose. Now if you want to copy the real one that will return good, that we can pay online, that will make people to pay online, you scroll up, you see exactly like this, but that one is in live mode. Okay, but so you can scroll up to copy that live mode, but it is, I can't show the secret key of this page. That is why I can't scroll up. So copy it like this secret key, you copy it, then you paste it here. This is for secret key, you paste it here, and then the second one, public key, you paste it here. And if you don't want people to pay online, you can just select bank transfer, and on this place you can provide your bank details. Maybe this should be 2665. Okay, so you provide your bank details. There you see. So that means people can pay online, or people can pay through offline. This is offline or bank transfer. So click on save. It's saved. Good. Now your portal is ready now. So you can see messages. You can send message to your students. You can see message. I want to send message to, I have 3 students, so I can send message to them. Likewise, students can send message to me. Okay, now let us log in. This is my website. Let me refresh so that the course I had at that time will reflect here. You can see, so this is the course. Now people can enroll from your website. So that means I need to log in first. You can see. So let me log in. Good. So this is student dashboard. They can actually check your courses. So this is the course, web design. How much? 500 naira. Remember that it's bank transfer we enabled that time. If it's online, once I click on this place, it will take me to where I'll pay online. But it's because I enabled bank transfer. That is why it will display something like this to me. Now, a student can quickly pay into your account, and they can use this as payment description, so that you can use this thing to identify the student and the payment. Okay, now let's, for example, students sent you this thing, this key. You, as the owner of the website, you come to your platform, you go straight to your students, then you search the key that was sent to you by your student. You can see it fetches the owner of the payment. Then I can click here. It's telling me that I should enroll this student for which course? Only web design. If I have many courses, it will be listed here. They will all be listed here. So let me click on enroll. So I've automatically enrolled this student for web design. So if I come to these courses again, you can see it has changed to enrolled. So I cannot check my enrolled courses. This is the enrolled courses I have. So I can, I enabled a certificate that time, so that's why it's showing certificate here, and I can read, I can go online here. So by studying the content. So let me click on this. Wow, you remember the content I provide and I submitted that time. So this is the content. So Don't forget that this thing your Samora allows you to design the content. So I just put this as an example. You can design and change different colors, add pictures. You can add unlimited pictures, videos, and any other things. Okay, you can see this one is also clickable. Good. Now, if you check here, I can continue studying. So students can even maximize and do any other things they want. And what about copying? Can I copy? You see, I can't even right click. I can't even copy the content. You see, I can't copy any. I can't highlight. Even on phone, you can't copy. Why? Because you, as the owner of the website, you already said they should not be allowed to copy. Displaying of certificate is allowed. Good. So let me go back and check my certificate. So this is my certificate. You can see my name has participated in web design organized by Demo Web School. So that's the name of my website, Demo Web School. So students can actually click on download to download this certificate. So it is downloaded here. So let me check it out. You can see, so this is my certificate. It's in PDF like this, so they can print it out if they want. Good. So let us go back here. And the student can actually send message to the website owner. Maybe they have questions. They can click here. You can see my name, the subject of my message. Then just testing your message here. And as the owner of the website, now you can see I have one new message. Not now. Check it now. So let me check it. So this is the message. So the last message here, that is the message I have here. Okay. Now, there's another thing I want to. Let me go back to the enroll courses and click here. The link here, let me click on it. It opens a new tab. There are some links that will not open a new tab. How will you solve the problem? Now you go back to your courses. This is my edit it. Only if this link is not opening on a tab. Maybe you have link in your tutorial and the link is not opening on that tab. This is a solution you need to do. Let me maximize this. Just highlight it. Then look for link. Then open in a tab. Good. So if this thing is not checked like this, it will not open in a tab. Well, you need to check it. Then update it. You can see. So when I click it, will open in a tab. But when I highlighted this thing now, you see that it shows open in that means it is correct. Because sometimes it may not correct. It may not be correct. So the content I have here, you can say, oh, yeah, this thing looks like text editor like Microsoft Word. I can increase the fonts. I can decrease the fonts, make it bold, italics, underline, change the font color, remove font color, change the background, change the color to yellow. The background, and do any other thing. You can say nice. So that is how you can offer online school using Samora. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels for more videos.